Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to tell you about one more airdrop. From this airdrop you can earn easily $100. So what you can want to do, just go to in description. I will give you a link of my Telegram channel. Just click on that. You will redirect it to your browser and you just want to click on Telegram. If you don't install Telegram, then must install from Play Store. Then you want to click on that. After that you will see this type of my Telegram channel. Just go and join this Telegram because I will give all small and big airdrops on this my Telegram channel, and I will give you shout out on this Telegram channel. So first of all I want to give special shout out to Technically Bot because he have give me very much big motivation and he comment on my previous video. If you also want shout out, then must comment very good in my Telegram channel. So first airdrop is Bremit airdrop. So what you want to do, I will give link on my Telegram channel. Just click on that. You will go to your browser. After that you will see this type of page. You just want to create your account. So first of all click on this first name and you want to enter your first name, then you want to enter your last name, then you want to enter your email ID. So I will put all these details on my this form. So then you want to create your password. So first of all create password and then must enter again because you want to confirm your password. After that you want to click I am not robot. After that you want to click on this button. So you have to agree their terms and condition. Then you want to click on register. So I will first of all I will clear my this captcha, then I will click on my register button. So wait. So after that you want to click on I have read terms and condition, then you want to click on register, or you can directly sign up with Google. So this is very easy. You can easily directly sign up through Google, but I want to prefer by manually enter all these things. After that you will get confirmation link on your email ID. So just go to your Gmail app. After that you want to confirm your email. So you will get this type of page. You want to click here to activate your account. After that you will directly redirect it to your browser and you want to I will show you what you want to do next. So just wait and watch. So after that you will verify, and after that you want to enter your email ID and just enter your password. After that you want to click on I am not robot and just click on login. If you join through Google, then you want to click on sign in with Google and you will directly log in only on one tap. So this is easy and you want to click on login. After that you will get your dashboard. So wait, just it is loading. After that you will get your dashboard. So after that you will get 500 BRMT tokens. So just for sign up you will get $25 US. So this is very easy and very profitable. You will get 500 BRMT tokens only for sign up. So this is very big and very easy. So no one want to miss this opportunity because this is very verified, and I will guaranteed you will get payment of this airdrop. So I have already verified all things and I will give you this video. So first of all you will get 200 BRMT tokens for every successful referral. So if you want to earn more BRMT tokens, so what you want to do, just copy your referral link and you want to share with your friends. So after share, when they sign up by this process, you will get 200 BRMT tokens. So this is very easy. Just copy and spread on all these social media platforms and you will get more referrals. You will earn more money. So you will get more profit. You can earn up to $1,000 or $5,000, many more. So there is no limit. You can earn unlimited money from this airdrop. So what you want to do, just click on airdrop. I will tell you how you can earn more money without any referral. So just click on this. You will get earn BRMT tokens by just completing this task. So what you want to do, just follow they on Twitter page, then you want to follow them on Facebook page, and just join their Telegram channel, join their Instagram account, and just want to install their app. But installing app is not available for time. They will launch their app and you will get 1000 BRMT tokens. So this is worth of $50. So this is very easy. Now I will show you how you can complete all these tasks. So just click on first task. You will redirect it to your Twitter account. You want to create your Twitter account if you have not already login with your Twitter. So first of all, create your account on Twitter. So you just want Twitter account or all these social media platforms for joining all these airdrops. So just follow them on Twitter. After that, you want to just just close this tab and you want to just back to your dashboard page. So what you want to just copy your username. So Twitter username you want to put on this page. So just copy that and you want to paste on this page. So just click on this and you want to paste this username on this. So just submit and your Twitter account is successfully submitted, and they will verify your account. Then they will give 100 BRMT tokens. So just I have told you this is very verified and very trusted, so therefore they will verify you, then they will give free tokens. So now I will show you how you can complete Facebook. So first of all, click on like button and you want to just follow them. After that, you want to go to back and you just want to copy your Facebook URL. So this is very easy. Just copy this and paste on that page. So I will copy and paste on that my task page. So just copy this. Just wait for 2 minutes. I will copy this. So there is some problem to copy this. So you can see that I will copy this all these things. I want to edit this link. After that, you want to paste on this. So I will cut last reference book. So you just want to click on submit. Your Facebook account is successfully submitted. Now I will show you how you can join Telegram group. So this is very easy. Children also complete this task. So this is very easy. Just click on that button. You will redirect to your Telegram. You just want to click join button and you just want to go to your that dashboard page. So I will show you how you can create. So just go back and you will get your first of all you want to submit your Telegram username on this page. So you want to submit that and just click on submit button. So this is very easy. You can easily do this. So I will submit my Telegram username. So there is some problem to submit this. So I will do this task after some time. So I have show you how you can complete. You can easily go and easily join this. So now I will show you fourth task. So just I will end this and now I will move towards fourth airdrop. So this is very so there is some problem because of traffic, because of huge traffic. There is some problem, but you will not get this type of issue. Because when you join this, then there is no traffic. This is new and very verified and trusted. So there is high and huge traffic for joining this airdrop. So this is there are giving free money. So why people are miss this airdrop? So now I will show you how you can complete your third and fourth airdrop. So I will try again. If my completed, then I will move towards my fourth airdrop. So I will click on submit and now I will check that so you can check that I have submitted my Telegram ID successfully. Now I will show you how you can complete 4 tasks. So just click on that. You want to click on follow @ their username. After that, you want to follow them and click on your logo of your profile picture and you will just copy your username or link and just paste on that page. So I will copy this my username and I will go to my tasks page and I will paste my username with @. So you must enter @ before your username. then you want to paste your username and click on submit. So this is very easy, and I will successfully submitted my Instagram ID. So click on close, and now you can see how we have completed 4 tasks, and I will, when their app is launched, you will get 1000 free BRMT tokens. So I will give all updates on my Telegram channel, so just go and join. So you can earn 200 BRMT tokens by referring friends. I have already told you before video started. So you can refer more friends, you will earn more money. So this is unlimited money. You can see that I have just put unlimited money on my thumbnail because there is unlimited. You can easily stake your BRMT tokens. So I will give all these things on my Telegram channel, so just go and join. I will give all these withdraw updates on my Telegram channel, so just go and join, and just I will give all these links on